Hi everyone. I wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and thank you for watching my video today. We'll be talking about the frosty fern, how much water it needs, sunlight, and also we're going to be doing some propagation. Frosty fern loves water. When it is in active growth, water about twice a week in the winter months. When growth slows down, water about once a week. The soil should be kept moist, but not soggy. Do not allow soil to dry out between waterings. It has beautiful white tips on it. Very pretty plant. It also needs to be provided with high humidity that a frosty fern needs. Also put pebbles in your tray, add a little water to it, place your pot on top for extra humidity. So what I did here was, in this tray, I put some rocks and a little bit of water down in here and sat the fern on top. Provides it with extra humidity. Inside your house, a frosty fern needs bright indirect light. So you can either put it in filtered sunlight from your window, or I have an LED light. I have it on right now for this one. Outside, it needs a shady area. If you treat your fern right, it can last for years. Also, it has aerial roots that will attach to the soil. So down in here, there's aerial roots. All this right here. These come down and they attach to the soil. Right in here. Propagation. Snip off a section of stem, put in moist soil to maintain the high humidity that it needs. Cover with a dome or plastic cover will root within a few weeks. So I already cut off some of these pieces off the fern. I'm going to moisten the water, the soil, and stir it up a little bit. And I'm going to make a little area here for this one. Cover this one up with dirt. And let's see, I'll make room for another one. Put this one in, there's the aerial root. Put this one in. And I have another piece here. Let's see, put this one in. And I'm just going to cover it with the dome I have. It's a little long, so I'll have to get a bigger one for that. And that's about it. Leave it inside there. Let it get some humidity from the water. I'll spray it every now and then with the spray bottle. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you.